Hello smart people and welcome to Instructor Lessons online tutorials. So in this particular video tutorial in mathematics, I want to show you how to kill square root completely. So if you're in grade 9 to 10 or other graders, you need to pay attention to this particular video. I realize that a lot of students in grade 9 and 10 are always struggling with mathematics, not because these students are not smart, they are pretty quite smart. But the problem is that the fundamental of mathematics, they're always struggling. Let me show you something real quick. If I have the square root of a number, say x, I can easily transform the square root of x to become x to the power of 1 over 2. So what that means is that if I have the square root of any other number, say a, I can easily transform it to a to the power of 1 over 2. Let me test you real quick to see if you understood this particular concept. What if I have the square root of k? What do you think the result will be? Pretty simple. K to the power of 1 over 2. Now, the idea in this particular video is to completely kill the square root, eliminate the square root. So if you agree with me that square root of x is the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 2, how do we then eliminate this particular guy or eliminate this particular guy? The same process I'm going to be applying on this is the same thing you want to do for this particular one. Let me show you real quick. So if I have the square root of x and we agree that it's the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 2, do you know that if I just square this, because I'm seeing 2 on the denominator of this particular power, I can easily cancel this square with this 2. And that leaves me with x to the power of 1 will give you x. Pretty simple. Some other persons can come here and just say, let me square it like this. This and this cancels out. But this is what bettered this particular process, because they already know that square root can be transformed to 1 over 2 as a power. So this can easily eliminate that. So which is why they can easily come here and cancel this. So if I want to do it real quick, I could just say square root of a is the same thing as, if I want to eliminate this particular square root, I could just put square there, and square can easily cancel out with square root, leaving us with just a. But what I want you to know, the fundamentals I want to build right now is that you have the square root of a number, say m, make sure to transform the square root so that it becomes a power, which is half, like this, and then take the square of it. This can cancel this, then you have m. That's pretty simple, right? So that's the policy you're going to be applying for different kind of stuff that has to do with, especially if you're looking for that particular number in the square root. I hope this makes sense. If you've not subscribed to our video tutorials, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, share this video, and if you want one-on-one section, we are available. Please.